Hello everyone, my name is Fasil Damte. I'm an Ethiopian facilitator based in Addis Ababa. I'm honored to be one of the two leads for the Facilitation Week 2026, a global gathering focused on the power of facilitation. I've been a member of IAF since 2019, and I'm currently serving as a chair for Ethiopian chapter of IAF. Facilitation Week is not just an event. It's a space to connect with people from different countries, cultures, and professions. It's about learning, sharing experience, and discovering how facilitation can transform how groups work together. And here is the important part. You don't need to be an IAF member to join. If you have a desire to learn more about group process facilitation, if you care about better conversations, better decisions, and stronger collaboration, I warmly invite you to join us for this inspiring week. Come connect, come learn, and come experience the true power of facilitation. I look forward to seeing you there. ከፌብሩዋሪ 2 እስከ ፌብሩዋሪ 8 በሚኖረው የፋሲሊቴሽን ዊክ ተሳታፊ እንዲሆኑ ተጋብዘዋል። አመሰግናለሁ።